Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihanna's Cuisines. Today we are going to be making raw peanuts that we're going to be boiling them in the Instapot. So if you want to learn how to do this, this is amazing. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and see how we're going to have about 3 pounds of peanuts. Now these peanuts are raw peanuts. Just make sure that you don't pick up roasted peanuts from the grocery store because this recipe is not going to work for that. These have to be raw. Like if I open it and show you, see, it's raw. So when you eat it, it's raw peanuts, and they're crunchy and they're not too bad, but okay. So you want to get raw peanuts. Where do you get the raw peanuts from? One, you could find it either in a farmer's market. They have them, and these should be coming in. This is October, late October, beginning of November. They also will be available in your Indian store, and then also some Asians also carry it because Asians eat a lot of boiled peanuts as well. So you might have to look there. I found these at my local farmer's market, and I was super happy to see them, and they were just picked. So, and again, when you also get it, when they're just picked, just make sure that you air them out. They're not sitting in a plastic bag because they're going to start molding and smelling really icky because these get bad really quickly once they are not boiled. So in my Instapot here, I have about almost 1.5 to 2 cups of water. All right, to this we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of salt, and I've got 1/4 cup of Cajun seasoning. I'll show you what kind of Cajun seasoning I'm using. I'm gonna put that in the water. Now, just to expedite the video, what I did was I added boiled water, like really hot boiling water, into the pot, and I had it sitting on saute mode, so it keeps it really nice and warm. I'm gonna turn that off in a minute and then show you what temperature I'm going to put it for. Now, when I put my peanuts in the pot, I'm just going to add enough where, it's not going to be up to our max line. All right. So all going to get in here, and I think all of them should fit. And I did it in batches of 2. This batch, and I did one earlier. And you want to make sure that you wash these really, really well, at least 3 times, dumping the water out, rinsing, dumping the water out, and I'll show you why. Because they are coming from the ground, you will see that even if I washed this 3 times, you can see that in this container here, look at all that soil is still there. So you just want to make sure that you wash it really, really well. Now we're going to give it a nice good stir, and you can adjust I'm doing Cajun seasoning. The one that I did earlier, I did not put any Cajun seasoning in there. I just did salt, but you could add some cayenne in there. You could add whatever you like. If you want to do lemon juice, you could do that. Whatever you like, you can create your own taste. All right. Mix this up really good. I'll go grab the Cajun seasoning to show you which one I've used. I am then going to close this. I can't see, so I'm just going to move this a little bit here. All right. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to come out of everything. And then I'm going to hit my manual, and I'm going to do 30 minutes. And what's going to happen also, you want to take your vent and you want to put it at sealing mode. You don't want it at the venting mode. All right, so you want it at the sealing mode. Now what's going to happen is, you see that beep? That means it has started. It's on. It's going to build that pressure, but because I have really, really hot boiling water in there, the pressure should come up really quickly. The red button is going to go up. It's going to seal. You won't be able to open the pressure cooker. After 30 minutes, it's done. We are going to let it vent or slow release. We're going to let it slow release for another 30 minutes. What that means, this is just for people who are not used to the Instant Pot yet. That is just that the pressure that's in the pressure cooker we're not gonna release it right away. That pressure in there is still gonna cook the peanuts and make them even more softer. So 30 minutes of cooking, 30 minutes of slow release. And then after 30 minutes of slow release, we can see if there's any steam left in there or not. And then we'll see, and I'll show you exactly how they come out in just as soon as they get done. I want to quickly show you that I'm using the Louisiana Cajun seasoning, but really you can use any kind of seasoning. And then also make sure you taste your water and see how much salt and how much, because my kids love it super salty. And the salt is not good for my husband, so I've made 2 batches, one that's not as salty, and then this one is going to be super salty. You can see here that we got our 30 minutes in, and then it has been, you know, slow release for another 31 minutes. I'm going to shut it off at this point. Now what you want to do is you want to see if there's any steam left in there. So I'm just going to take the knob and go ahead and vent it, and that's how much steam is left in there. So we're gonna just make sure that it finishes releasing the steam, and then that little button that you have, it should go down before you will be able to open the Instapot. So you see that button came down and almost all the steam is out. It's gonna let us open it. All right. So, smells really, really good. So I'm gonna give it a stir here. All right, so I'm gonna take one of these. I know they're gonna be very, very hot, but I just wanna show you how well they are cooked. It doesn't have much juice inside, so, but let me just see if the peanuts are cooked completely, so you can squeeze it and it's completely cooked. Peanuts are really nice and soft. So if you look here, do you see how there's the water in there? Don't throw the water away. What I like to do is I keep on stirring it, and when we're eating it, you know, when you have, so let me show you this. When you have a bowl like this, when it's already cooked, you see I still have the water on the bottom. So what I do is I have the bottom ones come up and the top ones go back down. And the reason for this is because I like to eat it like this. So I'm gonna take one and you put it in your mouth and you suck out the liquid. That's the best part. You open it up and you have your peanut and you eat your peanut. And these are delicious. Love it. I still did not get didn't get the taste when I tried from here, because I think I should have just stirred it to get the water to go inside the peanuts. But you want to give them a try. If you feel like it's not salty and you want to add seasonings to it, this is the time to do it. So 30 minutes cooking time, 30 minutes slow release. And we're done with a great recipe. These are super addicting. They are amazing. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Friends, would like to give a shout out to Sakina for helping me record. Also, if you watched this video and you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have subscribed, you are my YouTube family now. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can get a notification every time a video is uploaded. I have over 750 videos on YouTube that you would like to check out. So that's about it. I'll see you here next time with another great video.